Blogging is one of the most underrated ways to make money online, and in fact, I made my first $500,000 blogging. In this video, I'm going to break down how to make money blogging, and we're also going to cover the different ways you can monetize a blog. Now, before I go any further, if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Zach Crawford, and I want to give you a chance to win one of my $1,000 courses completely for free. All you need to do is go below, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos, and finally leave a comment below. Every single day, I pick the best comment to win the course. I'm going to guess right now if you're actually watching this video, it's probably because you just started a blog, or you're actually curious, can you actually really make money blogging? And I also realize you're probably a bit skeptical that I made $500,000 blogging, and I totally get it. When I first got started online, I was very, very skeptical. In fact, I was skeptical of just about everyone because I couldn't wrap my mind around that people could make even 6 figures online. I just didn't think it was a real thing. Look, I'm not going to do what most people do and flash up how much money I made this month and look how cool I am and how much achievements I've made. You know, at the end of the day, I find this stuff really tacky, and the reason being is most people make out this industry to be really get rich quick, the laptop lifestyle. And at the end of the day, you really can create that type of freedom. You can travel the world and work from your laptop, but I just don't like how people actually represent it, and I don't want to take part in that. I don't want to set you up for failure, and I want to show you what it actually takes to succeed with blogging if you're serious about this. So if you're skeptical that I've actually made $500,000 blogging, my suggestion is to go to the end of this video and watch my documentary. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to form your own conclusions if I'm actually serious and I've really done this, or if I'm just making it up. Now, the first thing I want to cover is just what I talked about a minute ago. You know, blogging is not get rich quick, it's get rich slowly. However, what I can tell you is almost any real business, a business that is sustainable, a business that can keep growing year after year, something that's not based on a loophole where you just make a little bit of cash and you have to start all over again, it's a slow process. It's something you got to be consistent with. And so if you're going into blogging just hoping to get rich in 30 days, it's not going to happen. With that being said, you can make your first sales in 30 days, but it's something that you're going to have to stick with. It's something you're going to have to commit to, and it's a real sustainable business. And that's why I love blogging. That's why I still do blogging to this day. But I want to make sure that you're not one of these people going into it thinking that it's going to be easy, because it does take hard work. The fact is, my first several blogs actually failed. In fact, I've created over 200 different websites in all different types of niches. And I really learned from failure. I learned from both practicing on my own sites as well as practicing on client sites, because I did a lot of client work where I basically did services for business owners. And so I didn't get to that $500,000 blog until I learned from failure. And that's one of the important things to look at here, is that you learn by doing. You don't learn by thinking about it. You don't learn by watching videos all day long. You don't learn about fantasizing about it. You learn from experience. Now, what I'm going to cover in this video is some of my best tips I've learned to make money blogging, and I'm going to go over the mountaintop view. Basically, I'm going to show you how things work and kind of explain how it all fits together and how people actually make money from blogging. However, if you want the step-by-step tutorial, you want the actual detailed series, I actually created a playlist or a video series I'll link up in the description. I'll link up in the YouTube cards in the top corner on one of these sides, and I'll also link up at the end of the video. So if you want a more detailed explanation of how all this works, how you can implement it, then I suggest you go watch that after this video. All right, so tip number 1, or I guess we can call it lesson number 1, is how to go about monetizing your blog. And in my opinion, there's only 2 different ways that you should actually monetize a blog. You know, there's a lot of different things out there like ads and getting sponsorships, but the only 2 viable methods in my opinion are either affiliate marketing, where you're promoting somebody else's products, or creating your own information products. Affiliate marketing is where I suggest almost every beginner starts, and the reason being is because of the fact that you need to learn sales and marketing. When you start with affiliate marketing, all you have to do is refer someone to a proven product through a link that's coded to you, and once somebody makes a purchase, you get the commission. Once you learn sales and marketing, your life will literally change. Whether you want to sell people's products for the rest of your life, you want to create a service, you want to sell digital products, you want to sell physical products, or you want to focus on creating your own thing at 100%. If you can't actually sell someone else's product effectively, you're going to have a very hard time selling your own product, and this is why I suggest this is where everyone starts. Now, I want to show you the potential of what affiliate marketing can do for you, and actually if you take this seriously. You know, I made over $1 million in commissions. That means commissions paid out to me in my bank account. That's not total sales volume like a lot of people like to quote. Now, not all of that money is equated to the blog. $500,000, the quote that I gave at the beginning of this video, that was just from affiliate marketing. That's where I started. I learned sales and marketing by promoting other people's products through my blog, And once I learned that, that's when I started adding the additional creating my own products to the mix. I still do both to this day. Now, once you actually make affiliate marketing successful, say you made 6 figures online from affiliate marketing, you might want to actually consider creating your own product. You know, you literally can go in there and look at somebody else's product that's selling and make your very own version and keep 100% of the money. Now, the second tip I have for you is to build your email list. Now, this is something that you're going to hear a lot of big people talk about, and there's a good reason for it. You know, I used to think that all the money was in just like doing product recommendations and linking out to products. products, and I thought if I created more content and linked to more products, it would make me more money. But the reality was it was very hard to scale a business this way. Once I started building an email list, that's when I started making all the money I talked about. It wasn't just creating the content. The blog is simply the tool, but the money is actually in the email list. The money is in the follow-up. The reason collecting an email is so incredibly important is because there's a stat out there right now that says that you need 7 points of contact in order for somebody to make a purchase. I personally think that's kind of low. I think people need to be in touch with you several more times than that based on my personal experience. What happens is somebody comes across you, say your blog, they read a blog post, you're trying to sell them something, and they don't really know you, like you, and trust you. Now, there's going to be some people that will make a purchase, but you're going to need lots and lots and lots of traffic in order to do that. Compared to if you collect the email list and you keep staying and building that relationship with those people, eventually they will become a customer. I've literally had people on my email list for 6 months that didn't buy a single thing. It didn't matter if it was $1, it was $97, $500, $1,000, or $10,000. They didn't buy anything. And what they did is they sat on my email list for literally 6 months, just reading emails, reading my blog posts, and digesting my content. And then once they actually purchased, they bought the most expensive thing. One specific customer sticks out to me where he bought my most expensive program at the time, which was $10,000 for a coaching program. And when I asked him, why did you not buy like a $97 product just to get to know who I am? And he said, honestly, I wanted the best thing you had to offer. I sat on your list for 6 months. I wanted to see if you were full of BS or if you're the real deal. And after I got to see that you actually really help people, you really were concerned about helping me, I didn't want to waste my time buying an info product. I just wanted somebody to help me skip the line and figure out how to do the right things. So do you understand, if I didn't collect that email, how much money I would have lost? That was just one customer. All right, so the third tip is that you have to create content that people actually want. You know, I made the mistake, and a lot of newbie beginner bloggers actually start by doing this, and they blog about anything and everything, and they totally ignore their customers' needs. I didn't actually start making money with my blog until I switched from making things about me and blogging about what I'm doing and where I'm going in my personal life to switching to blogging about things people are searching for and actually looking for answers to solve their problems. In every major industry, people have problems, they have desires, they have things that are bothering them, things that are keeping them up at night, they want to be entertained, they're looking for answers to their questions. And these are the exact things that you should be blogging about. Now, the marketing lingo for this is called search engine optimization. Now, I'm not going to go deep dive into this topic because I'm actually working on a video right now I'll be posting on this channel that's literally going to go into everything you need to know about search engine optimization in just a couple days. Think right now in your industry or the industry you're actually interested in going into, or say a hobby that you have. What are things people would be typing into the search engine trying to learn? This video is a perfect example. Like somebody that's looking to start a blog or they're interested in how blogging works, they might type in how to make money blogging. So the simple solution is all you need to do is create content consistently around these types of search phrases and the things people are looking for. These people are like taking a sniper rifle to a gunfight. Somebody who brings a shotgun and tries to shoot everywhere, compared to you, you're actually using a sniper rifle and hitting the mark every single time. You want to focus all your content on things people are looking for and problems they're looking to have solved. Then from there, what you want to do is collect that email, follow up and build the relationship, and then of course, market products to them. Well, there you have it. That is the basics to how to make money blogging. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, if you want to learn step by step, everything from figuring out how to pick the right niche that's profitable, you want to learn how to get traffic, you want to learn how to actually set up your blog so that way you know what to blog about, you want to learn how to monetize the blog and all the different options you have and how to get started with that, then what I suggest is at the end of this video, I actually have the playlist. I'm going to also link to it in the description, and as I also mentioned, it's in the cards. So if you actually want to learn how to make money with your blog and you're serious about this, I suggest that you go watch that playlist because I put a lot of time into making that for you. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would really appreciate if you smash that like button. It helps me reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe. Finally, I will see you in the next video.